everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, if you are looking for an idea on how you can create a YouTube outro for your YouTube videos, this video is right for you. So let's open up Canva and search for YouTube outro. And again, there's a lot of pre-made templates that you can use as your inspiration in creating any other design using Canva. You have an option. If you don't like to use a template, you can create your own by pulling up a blank page and then just change the title here, YouTube outro. And then you can start creating your YouTube outro. So, I will show you my YouTube outro. So, ito yung YouTube outro ko. Napakasimple niya, guys. Hindi ako naglagay ng more elements. At yung background ko is plain lang siya. And ito lang, subscribe, like, bell button, and then check out my recent videos. So, ang ilalagay ko dyan is yung recent video ko and yung playlist here, and then dito yung logo ko, video ko. Ito pala guys, YouTube outro is nilalagay natin yan sa pinakahulihan ng YouTube video natin. So if you don't know yet kung paano maglagay ng YouTube outro o yung end screen natin, I have a video, link is in the description, kung paano maglagay ng YouTube outro or end screen sa mga YouTube videos natin. And if you are looking for a tutorial on how you can create a YouTube intro for your YouTube videos, meron akong tutorial kung paano gumawa ng YouTube intro and the link is in the description below. Kindly check it out, guys. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating YouTube outro. If you want to choose a video background, you have the option to choose a video background in here. Let's say you are creating or your channel is on the tutorial. You can use this one as your background. Right click the video and set video as background. So depende rin yung gagawin yung YouTube outro. Again, depende yun sa details or sa content ng channel nyo. Alright? So I want to decrease the transparency here. Select the video and dito sa tab toolbar, transparency, you can reduce the transparency. Let's say 70. Okay, or it's up to you guys. Okay, and then you can write or you can add your logo. If you have a YouTube channel logo, you can add your logo. You can pull up text here and then add a heading, or you can just click the T key on your keyboard and make it big. Okay, and then you can change the font. Let's say thank you for watching. Okay, then you can position it to the center by just clicking on the position and then center. So naka-center na siya. If you want to change the color, go to the tab toolbar and choose the color you like. Let's say for example, let's say that one. Okay, and then so mag-add tayo dito guys ng palitan lang natin to, like ang ilalagay natin dyan is recent video, and then dito naman sa kabila duplicate natin siya yung playlist natin. You can add text. Palitan natin yung font niya guys para hindi pare-parehas. You can add check out my recent video, and then duplicate this one. If you want to duplicate the text guys, let's say this one, click the text, go here sa tab toolbar and then tap the three dots and here duplicate, then put it here. You can add your logo here. For example, you have a logo, you can pull up a frame, circle frame, okay, put it in the center, and you can pull up your logo or your photo. Let's say gamitin natin to guys, ayan, then just drag it to the frame. To add some elements to your frame, you can pull up this one, then resize it. You have a choice guys kung gusto nyo maglagay dyan ng elements ng shape nya, like this one. Ito yung mga example dito, some of them have shape. Meron silang nalalagay na shape katulad niyan. So ako hindi ako naglalagay niyan kasi minsan hindi siya nagiging sakto kapag nilagay ko yung video. And you can add, like this one, you can add some arrows, or you have an option na hindi nalagyan. Lagyan natin siya ng arrow. You can select the animated one or you can use this one. I-roll nyo lang siya guys, and then paliitin nyo siya. Palitan nyo yung color, duplicate, tapos ilagay nyo din siya dito. Go to flip, vertical. Okay, and then ayusin nyo na lang siya dyan guys. Ganyan. Okay, ito ay bababa natin ng konti. Gusto nyo lagyan ng audio, you can go to uploads kung meron kayong naka-upload na audio. Halimbawa, yan yung gamitin natin. Okay, ito, yung text nyo, pwede siyang i-animate. Just select the text, go to the top toolbar, animate, and then marami ditong animation na pwede nyo gamitin. Halimbawa ito, rice, sun. Try natin yung wipe. So, ang text guys, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng effects. Go to effects. Then, hanap kayo dito ng effects na gusto nyo ilagay dyan. Let's say spice. And then, palitan nyo yung color. So, pwede nyo i-adjust dito yung settings niya. Okay? You can choose the effects na gusto nyong gamitin sa mga text. Etong video na nilagay natin is mahaba siya. Nakikita nyo guys is 14.7 seconds. So, ayaw natin ng ganong kahabang outro. Adjust nyo siya by just dragging like this. Kung gusto nyo 5 seconds lang. Or, you can select the background video. And dito sa taas, pwede nyo siya dyang ilagay na lang or i-type na lang yung seconds or time na gusto niya. Let's say okay na to sa inyo, yung YouTube outro na to. You can download it as MP4 video. Go to share, download, and then the file type is MP4 video, and then click on download. Again guys, you can always add more elements or more details or more content to your design here in Canva by just going to elements, and if you want to use your own photos or elements or audio, you can go in here on the uploads. You can upload images, videos, and audio here. I hope you find this video useful and nagkaroon kayo ng idea on how you can create a YouTube outro for your YouTube videos. So please guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to get you updated on my next video. Please like and share, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone.